How did an entire island vanish without a trace? Here's a question that has baffled sailors, scientists, and map makers for over a century. How can an entire island appear on maps for decades, only to vanish so completely that modern satellites can't find a single grain of it? This is the true mystery of Sandy Island, a place that existed, officially, for over 100 years, but may have never existed at all. Sandy Island first appeared on nautical charts in the late 1800s, recorded by the crew of a whaling ship sailing through the Coral Sea, between Australia and New Caledonia. They marked it as a small island, about the size of Manhattan, rising above deep water. Later, other ships logged it too. Soon, nearly every world atlas included it. British maps, French maps, American maps. Even Google Earth kept it as a black, island-shaped data void. It was real until it wasn't. The 2012 expedition that changed everything. In November 2012, Australian scientists from the University of Sydney set out to measure tectonic plates near Sandy Island. When they reached the exact coordinates, they noticed something strange. Their ship's sonar reported water over 4,000 meters deep. No landmass gave a reading. No reef, no rocks, nothing. The captain looked around and said, "There's supposed to be an island here." But all they saw was endless open ocean. The island had vanished. So was it ever real? Researchers went back into historical logs to try to explain the mystery. And here's where it gets interesting. Many old sightings happened at dusk or dawn, times when floating pumice rafts from underwater volcanic eruptions can look like solid islands. These pumice islands can stretch for miles, drift for weeks, and seem stable enough to fool sailors in the 1800s. But that still didn't explain why so many maps insisted the island was real. The answer? A single mistake in a major 1908 maritime directory got copied, and recopied again, spreading into charts worldwide. A phantom island born from a chain reaction of human error. But there's still one unsolved detail. Not all recorded sightings match pumice fields. Some ships claimed they saw dark land, not pale floating rock. Others measured shallow depths where there should be none. Even today, oceanographers say the seafloor beneath Sandy Island has odd bumps, not enough for land, but enough to raise questions. Was it a misidentified pumice raft? An underwater volcano that briefly rose and collapsed? Or a geological feature scientists still can't explain? Sandy Island reminds us that even in the era of GPS and satellites, Earth still hides places that vanish as mysteriously as they appear.